dictionary. Just the year gone by, 2024, was our deadliest year in a decade. At least 685 of our service members embraced martyrdom in 444 separate attacks. 1,612 Pakistanis, teachers, traders, traffic wardens never came home. These are not mere statistics. They are vacant chairs at breakfast tables, yet each tragedy steals our resolve. Because every falling comrade plants a flag that drives deeper into the soil the extremists covet but will never own. Let us be clear. Any so-called Shura may issue threats in Pashto, but its digital propaganda is subtitled in every language of discontent. A bomb in Peshawar today draws its ideological fuse from the chat room somewhere in northern Africa. Its wiring diagram from a tutorial filmed in Damascus. Terrorism is borderless, and therefore the fight we wage is not Pakistan's private quarrel. It's a civilizational self-defense on behalf of all of humanity. When the Tehreek-e-Taliban or the Majid Brigade tweets its manifesto, the algorithm that amplifies it does not stop at the Duran line. It ricochets through Paris, Perth, and beyond. If we stand down, who will stand up? Across 2 decades, Pakistan's armed forces, backed by an iron-willed citizenry, have broken the backs of Al-Qaeda networks, dismantled so-called caliphates in the name of Daesh or anybody else, and driven the TTP from fortresses to the foxholes. Operation Zarb-e-Azb drained the northern swamp. Radd al-Fasad uprooted the sleeper cells in our cities. Today's operations in Balochistan and elsewhere sever the nexus between separatism and foreign-funded terror. These campaigns are not video-gamed stories from offshore carriers. They were boots in the dust, medics in the mud, and school teachers reopening classrooms behind the front lines. The world enjoys the light of conferences that debate violent extremism. Pakistan battles these demons daily on the front lines. Our roads scarred with IED and suicide bomber craters are the tariff we pay so the rest of humanity may commute in peace. Is it too much to ask that the visa desks respect the Pakistani passport that guards their peace? That multilateral lenders price our courage into their risk models? That media houses spell Pakistan without the lazy prefix of troubled? Respect is the minimal dividend of sacrifice. And for across the Duran line, the Taliban regime was greeted by many as an inevitable fact. They promised the neighborhood stability. They delivered instead a 40% surge in militant attacks on Pakistani soil and a sanctuary for the TTP, the BLA, the ETIM, and so much more. We say to Kabul, sovereignty confers duty. Stop the exodus of fighters. Choke the traffic of arms and honor the blood-priced Doha commitments, or be judged by the company you keep. I would like to propose some points for Pakistan and the conscientious world. One, we need equitable burden sharing. Terrorism, CT Finance, what used to be known as the Coalition Support Fund, cannot be a tip left on the table of counterterrorism. We ask for structured investment in counterterrorism, in counter-violence extremism, in modern technology and weapons.